The, the Boy Who Saved Baseball by Arnav. My first three questions are, why did Cruz leave the night before the game and let his team down? My second question is, why did Doc die when Tom hit the winning run? My third question is, what is the real secret of hitting a home run? When I read the book, this is what I thought. When Doc gave his will to Tom, why didn't he give his mom and dad since he was too young? Or why didn't he give it to Dante since he knew him longer? And how did the prophecy teller foretell that Cruz would bring happiness and sorrow to Dillontown? Could he actually see the future? My final introspection is, what other mysteries or prophecies in Dilltown? Will Tom hit the pros? Will Cruz be sent on another request from God? Will you be the next prophecy? Bye.